Hey, I wanted to share something with you guys today. For the last, 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks, I've been living with a set of Michelin floor mats. And these are pretty awesome. This is a first look on them, even though I've had them for a while. Um, and I've actually been doing some testing on them. These are pretty awesome, I think. And that's an honest opinion right there. Um, One of the things that I looked at on these was how well they fitted. I looked at how well they looked in the vehicle. You can see here they look really nice. I looked at the cleanability and all that stuff, and I put all that in another video, and um, I'll link that at the end. But I think you guys would be interested in that. I do some pretty interesting testing. Here, I'll ask you guys up front. How many 20-ounce cups of coffee do you think one of these floor mats will hold? Okay, so anyhow, that's the front floor mats right there. I also got the rear floor mats with it, okay? And they fit very well also. I was very impressed with the overall fit of the Michelin. Then, to take it one step further, I got the tailgate mat from Michelin, and I also got the bed mat from Michelin. And I did some real interesting testing on that. Here, you know, we'll give them a shout out, okay? But I did some real interesting testing with the bed mats, and I went over the installation of this on the back side too. This is not hard, but yeah, there's a couple little tricks you need to know to make it work well. But some of the testing, and I did a couple of competitors' bed mats, and I almost had one fly out of the bed on me. Um, Kind of interesting, okay? And I'm working on a solution for that now. Imagine that, an engineering guy doing that kind of stuff. So I wanted to share that with you. This Michelin has really done a good job of knocking it out of the park this time around. Um,
If you enjoyed hanging out with us and riding shotgun in the taco truck, go ahead and smash that like button and share this video with your friends or even your own everyday Tacoma guy or girl. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe because one day Daryl and I might actually start selling tacos out of the back of this thing. Thanks for spending part of your day with us. We really do love this community. Love you guys. Until next time, this is Cody.